Well, hello everyone. This is Greenbean with Full-Time Coaster Tour, and we have a little bit of a short one for you today. We're going to take a look at one of the more exciting things to take place in the Northeast coaster world this year, and that is the new launch coaster by Intamin being built at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We were there very recently, and we were able to catch some testing. So we'll take a look at it. This is the view from the Rhine River on the bridge between Verbolten and the Italy section of the park. So you can see here, that is the spike. We'll take a look here, and then I'll give you some close-ups and stuff like that. But now we're about to go over the top hat. Yeah, look at that. And now we're going to do that outward banked Airtime hill here. Look at this. That looks so good. And right there is the fastest portion of the ride. And there's the 0G stall. Looks incredible. I just can't wait to get on this thing. It's, this was supposed to be released 2020. But obviously with everything going on, it's going to be released this year. Now let's take a little slow-mo close-up of the top hat there. I'm telling you, it's so exciting. I wish I could have got on it when we were there. And look at the outward banked Airtime hill here. Yeah, that's a newer element. Usually when you would turn, they would bank you inside. But just to give you some perspective on where this view is, here's Verbolten right here, so it's right between there. So these coasters hug the Rhine River. Busch Gardens does such a great job of using their landscape and their river for these coasters. They all drape over it. And I just wanted to remind you, before you leave, it's really a good thing if you give us a sub, maybe even a like. With that all said, I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching.